Okay, we're going to call this one Sink Wars. Don't worry about the dirty dishes. We got one drone here. We got another drone here. And these are our starting spots. Don't worry about the dishes. And we're going to fly through the kitchen and see who can land on the hover spot. And Ron is going to do it first with this guy. Don't hit me in the head. Okay, that was his first try. That was great. Don't. You better not hit me. We can barely make it out of the kitchen with these things. So I think we sort of you got kind of close. It won't even lift off the air. It looks like a dead rat. It won't even. There goes the dishes. And mine, the battery popped out, and so I think I broke mine too. So yeah. Hey, welcome to having fun, but not sponsored by beer, of course.